All right, guys, I do want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new safe. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and actually take a look at it. All right, and here it is. So let's go ahead and actually take this part out, see what it's got. Instructions. And then as well as the keys. As you can see, it's got a digital keypad right here, and then it also does use the fingerprint here as well. So like I said, it's got 3 different options to get into it. Since we're just trying it out for the first time, we're gonna have to use it manually like this. Check that out. Very, very cool. All right, so as you can see, it is very spacious and it's very well built. Like, it's got some weight to it. You can tell right away it's very well designed. Let's check out on what we have on the inside. This right here is if you want to put like some firearms on them, if you want to keep those locked up. And then if you want to secure it to the wall. And it also has a Type-C charger as well. Right here. All right, so let's go ahead and actually set up the fingerprint sensor as well as the code here as well, so we can actually see how it works. And it does come with these 4 anti-static feet, so you can put them right down here depending on where you're gonna have it. Where I'm gonna have it, I'm not gonna actually need them, so I'm gonna go ahead and set them here, but all you have to do is literally just take this piece off right here and then stick it onto each one of those corners. Very simple to install. All right, and then to actually get the keypad and the fingerprint to work, you are gonna need some batteries. So I just wanted to show that part. It's right on top of the actual safe. And you would put the batteries right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that so we can go ahead and set it. As you can see, this is a large capacity safe measuring at 17.7 inches high, 14.9 inches wide, and 12.6 inches deep. It's perfect for storing firearms, documents, credit cards, or more, keeping them secure and out of reach from kids or guests. Inside, you'll see organized compartments and flexible space that you can fit in a variety of items. It uses high-resolution fingerprint scanner and it unlocks in less than half a second. You can store multiple fingerprints, so trusted users can get access fast, no keys or passwords needed. The unique handgun stand holds up to 5 pistols that keeps them separated and upright. This prevents friction, damage, and makes each one easy to get. Now that we got the batteries in there, we're gonna go ahead and push the button that's right here to set the fingerprint. All right, there it is. So we're gonna actually go ahead and set it. That should be it. You should just have to do it 4 times and then it's good to go. And then we're also gonna set the keypad as well. So that way we can have the key option, the fingerprint option, as well as the numeric option as well. All right, and then to set the numeric one, we're gonna go ahead and hit 0, 0, and then the button on the inside. And this one. So, and then we're gonna go ahead and actually put the pin that we want. So we'll do 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 pound. And there it is. It is set. So let's go ahead and actually try all of them out now. So as you can see, it is locked right now. So let's go ahead and actually do the fingerprint. All right, and there it is. Just like that. Very, very simple, very cool. So now let's actually go ahead and do the numeric one as well. Bam. Super simple to set up, very easy to use. Just lock it up when you're done and you're good to go. I think my favorite is that fingerprint one. Probably the easiest way to get in there. So again, very simple, very cool to use. It's also very sturdy, very well designed. Let me just go ahead and show you again the inside. All right, so as you can see, you could put like your jewelry box in here. I like these hooks that are here as well. You could hang just different things on there. Have them run through like that. Right, just have them on there. And then if you have like money, you can just, put them at the bottom. And then like I said, you do have a spot here for firearms. So like I said, you have enough space to secure anything that you really need. And then once you're done, you just lock it up and you're good to go. What's also cool is if it starts to shake a lot, it'll start ringing, as well as if they get the code wrong too many times. So let's go ahead and actually try that out. So as you can see, the alarm starts to go off if you do get the passcode wrong too many times. Or like I said, if it starts to shake a lot, like it shouldn't be doing that, the alarm will also go on as well. So again, another very cool feature. So let's see if we can just turn this off now. If you guys found this video useful, make sure to subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new save, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.